Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, starting it off a little different because my planning was a little different this week, but this is a glitch kit that I got from Glam Planner. I do not remember what it is called, but if I'm able to find the email with the name, I will put it down in the description box below. So those date covers I got from Sadie Stickers. The COVID-19 sticker is from Lilac Plans. Those date numbers are from Planner Face. And I think that's all that I needed to demonstrate. So yeah, this week, I mean, there were some like good things with this week, but also like bad things with this week. And then me and the planning, I wasn't even thinking, why did I keep my planner open as I was trying to plan rather than, fold it over like I normally do. I don't know what I was thinking, but on Monday, I was working and I ended up having to work on a med-surg COVID unit, which is for any patients that are like med-surg patients, which is the type of patient population I normally work with, but they are positive for the coronavirus. So I worked there, and it actually wasn't that bad, honestly. It wasn't that bad. So then after that, I came home, and that big box I put down that I did my workout, and I did it for 25 minutes. So starting Monday, June 1st, I planned on doing a few different like challenges. So one of them is like that butt and gut challenge that I was doing before, and I kind of fell off. I'm restarting that. Another one is for my abs. Another one is for my arms and shoulders. So arm, shoulders, back. So that's what I did. And just to catch up the rest of Monday, I did watch a little YouTube. So I put down a camera from Harriet Wright Designs, as well as a YouTube bench sticker from Lilac Plans. I put down a package little for my Mayel rice water collection that got delivered, and I actually used it this past Saturday for my hair. Love it. And then I used a bed early script from Glam Planner's foil collection thing that she did. So on Tuesday, I just put down a to-do header as well as the checklist for all of the different stops that I had to go to. And then I put down a little with a heart icon on it because I did get me some Cold Stone and it was so good. And then when I got back, I did my budget with me video as well as filmed my June dashboard video, and that will be up next week, so stay tuned for that. That means 1, make sure you're subscribed, and 2, make sure your post notifications bell is turned on so you know when I post. And then after that, I did have a conference call that night at 7, and then I didn't actually show you guys me putting it down, but she has these like overlay stickers in rose gold that I put down at the bottom for the 2 birthdays that I had on the 2nd. Wednesday, I woke up that morning. I edited my plan with me video so I can post it. Ate some avocado toast for breakfast. Checked some YouTube and emails. Little stuff like that. Then I did purchase the swap course from Crystal, the Maximizer, here on YouTube. Go check her out if you guys are interested. But she helps you with like the whole process of starting the coupon, and is a little bit more in depth than what she normally puts out on her videos. So I started that. Then I marked down my workout again as well. And then that night, everybody who purchased the course, she actually did like a Zoom meeting with all of us to answer any questions that we have in like a live, which was really, really cool. And it was nice to see like other women, and we all like shared ideas and stuff like that. It was really cool. I liked that. I really, really liked that. So Thursday, I went back to work, and I was charged again. And it wasn't that bad that day, but people be trying you. Doesn't matter. Also that night, the Stationery Muse here on YouTube had her first like live with a special guest. And I told her, I was like, I will be trying to rush out of work, and I'm glad I was charged that day because report is normally a little faster then. and I was able to jump on the live and watch it. And she had Ashley on there, and Ashley was amazing. And I think she does still have like the playback on her channel, so I will suggest you guys to go and get a little inspiration, okay? Then I put down a little for my Felicia Leatherwood brush coming, which came right on time because I did want to wash my hair this weekend. And then she had like a really big flag in the kit, and I cut it down and put the bed sticker because me and Babe had like a real long pillow talk that night. And then I told him, I said, babe, I gotta go to work. We gotta stop talking. I gotta go to work. And then again, I had another birthday on the 4th, so I used one of them overlay stickers that I put down in the bottom washi part. So Friday, again, I worked, I was charged, and then I put down a Tough Day sticker from Station Stickers, who unfortunately is closed, as well as one of the Teeny and Friends from Glam Planner, because it was a real long day. We did have a moment of silence at work as well for everything that's going on in the world, and I kind of just marked that down. Then I used a little squiggle from Harriet Wright Designs to mark up the space, and also on Thursday I used one of the dragonflies from Lilac plants to take up some space. I put down a little for Gold Mine and Cocoa that I got. I put down a little for workout, and then 2 little things I had to do Friday night. Jumped to Saturday. I woke up and thought I was going to be cleaning the bathroom and doing laundry and stuff. And Babe did it all by the time I woke up. I was so excited. So I just started to wash my hair. And I did my hair. And oh my God, that rice water collection, bomb, okay? So then we was going to go to Wine and Spirits, but they were closed. So we went and got some Ritas. And then I came home and finished the swap thing. So then Sunday, I slept in, which felt amazing. Then got up, I made it some breakfast. I used one of the little, almost look like the Villa Beautiful pen from Sadie stickers to kind of divide it up. And then I filmed this plan with me. And then I, finished pretty much I'm doing the editing now so it can go up very, very soon. You guys will be seeing it, of course, by the time it comes up. And then I did meal prep and pre-planning for next week. So here I'm just showing you guys what it looks like after I put down some of those foiled overlays and little hanging stars from Sadie stickers. But I thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.